The Marubeni Citizen Cincom laser system L2000 is a 10-micron fiber optic system offering high-precision, high-speed laser cutting and welding. Incorporating the L2000 on a Cincom Swiss-style lathe or Miyano multi-axis turning center provides the capability of combining conventional machining with laser cutting and laser welding on a single machine platform, reducing part handling and ensuring improved part accuracies. The L2000 utilizes the IPG photonics fiber laser systems. IPG is the world leader in providing fiber optic lasers and is fully supported in the US. Multiple power units are available that address specific application requirements. One option is a QCW, quasi-continuous wave 300-watt system that can provide power bursts to 3 kilowatts for extra power when needed. The laser head assembly mounts on the gang tool slide of the Cincom machine. The movements are programmed in the part program of the machine control. The unit has the unique capability of also mounting on the B-axis tool position, allowing for laser cutting at various angles for components that require angular laser cut features. The laser head assembly is liquid tight, so it's capable of operating while high-pressure coolant is flooding the workpiece during the machining process. Internal air pressure protects the lens and internal components. High-pressure coolant that is used during the cutting process also feeds coolant through the tubing material in the auto-loading bar feed system. This provides a flushing of dross or chips that are created during the laser cutting process. An integrated custom-designed CCD camera for optical viewing and alignment is included for XY beam alignment to the nozzle. The live camera view is visible on the included touch monitor. This greatly reduces setup time. The L2000 is completely interfaced to the Cincom control. Cutting path, offsets, laser cutting parameters, laser focal point, and gas pressure are fully controlled and edited in the machine control. One of the unique features of the L2000 is that it's a modular system and not designed for a specific model Cincom or Miyano machine. The system can also be retrofitted to some older model Cincom machines. For additional information, please contact Marubeni Citizen Cincom at marucit.com or your local Cincom distributor.